So, shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening to all. Today we are in, the number is here at 10, but actually it is on 16th webinar on positive living with us and the founder of Wellbeing Center, Mr. Krishnan Sivaraman is with us. He is one of the person who can talk to me mental health, and he like to promote mental health in all the areas and without any discrimination. That is the point quality I found him. And during these earlier we had a discussion around 15 sessions, and all the sessions was open-minded. This is the person quality we can find out the person who is having the subject knowledge. Sir, I welcome you for this webinar series. And this is a initiative of the Department of Psychology, the American College. Myself, Suresh Kumar, coordinating the session. I invite you to take the session and lead us. Please share your thoughts on that.
Thank you very much, Suresh. It's been wonderful, interacting with you for quite some time. I think it is more than 5 years we have been interacting,
Yes.
and COVID has actually made us, more closer. And you are doing a wonderful job, and you have been connecting lots of professionals and academicians, because which is important, as Daman said, it is very, very important that to reach out. We don't have the number which is accurate. We cannot say gap. There is if you see the other point only where it is, you can see gap, but the other point is not there. That is the kind of situation. So thank you so very much, Suresh. um, I would like to make one small introduction, because I've been in advertising for 22 years, and I used to work with various consumers, and I got into psychology from that. From consumer psychology, I moved into that. Uh, and I was in the Middle East. I came back. When I came here, and they said, your multinational experience outside India is not valid, so you have to start from the scratch, and you cannot start because you are old. So this was a thing which happened when I came back to India in 2010. So this has given me an opportunity convert my experience with the consumer psychology, get onto psychology, go into various training program, and intensive trainings I went across, and in Nimans and other places. Then it is it is helping me, and I am able to help people, and I'm able to network, so that the my vision of reaching out more and more professionals is happening. That is my small this thing. So why I wanted to start with that was, when I came down, they said, my 22 years of experience is nullified. So then otherwise, then generally what would have happened, people would have just gone down. They would not have, they don't know what to do. So this they will get into depression and things like that. I said, I have this the time I had done my parent counseling, so which has helped me to start as a parent counselor. From there, I have taken on. So dear friends, whoever is there, I welcome you for my class. I mean, class, or lecture. I hope everyone is having some paper pencil to be, I mean, do you have? And please write three things that has made you happy today, since morning you got up till you got into the class. Three things which have made you happy. I'll give you 1 minute. Suresh, you will have the time. I'm trying to locate my mobile.
Mute. Dear participant, you can note down three things which will make you happy today, as said by the resource person. I think today you are going to have something different from other session. I can say that practical way of leading the session. Yes.
1 minute. Let me take my
You can
mobile, which is
write
at that
your
time.
things in the chat box also. Suppose we are not having pen and pencil.
Yeah, they can. Yeah, you can do it. You can type it in the chat box. That will be great.
Yes.
Even you can say that you got up, got up in the morning. It's a very happy thing. We don't know what will happen.
There are many things to say that unhappy thing, but find out things which you might be happy.
Absolutely, absolutely. Done. Okay. I would like to start with a small story. I mean, it is not a story which has happened. There were two girls known to each other, and they were very close. But somehow one girl, I mean, I changed the name. Her name is Nima. Uh, so both of them were going for an interview on a particular day. What happened? It is, let's say Nima and Geeta. Nima, she had low self-esteem. She's not confident, and she was confident that she is not going to get the job, and she was lazy, and she was an avoidance of personality she had. And so she did not prepare anything for the interview. And she didn't she had a very crumbled clothes. And she went for the interview. No CV she had. And when they asked, I thought, I sent my mail, so that is I thought that is sufficient, you have seen it. So by looking at her, by her response, she didn't get the job. Whereas Geeta, the moment she gets out of the bed, she will be very, very cheerful. She is, on that day, she was so confident. And, previous day also, she was very confident. She was telling people that, I'm going for this interview. I'm sure I'm going to get the job, and, be ready for my treat, like that. And, she had got a very high self-esteem. She was brisk. She was very active. She was looking forward to go to the interview, meet people. I mean, she was confident that she is going to get the job, but she is also looking for meeting those people who are going to give the job. And previous evening she took the right dress, and properly ironed, and kept it ready. And she left. She reached the place 15 minutes earlier to the interview time. And she had the application copy, and she had her biodata in her hand. The moment she walked in, there was so much of energy and the vibration. With a big smile she went. And actually there was no questions asked. So where are you coming from? Okay, well, this is what you have done. We are, when can you join? That is what they asked her. They said, whenever you can say, I can join. So she actually joined on the next day itself. So how we know she was thinking very positively, the other person was she was not confident, low esteem. Okay, the reasons may be different, the background, what was happening. So those things were there. So to have a positive living, we should have positive thinking. So what is positive thinking? What are the things coming under that? You will have a positive attitude. Anything you look at it, you will see that something good in it. Something you will find it interesting. If you see an ant, I mean the ants are going, you will be looking at how it is going, properly. Oh my God, what is this ant? You are not going to say that. The moment you see it, you will be watching it. So how disciplined they are. And they will experience very pleasant and happy feelings they will experience. And that will bring, when they come, that will bring, I mean, if you see them, you will see the very bright eyes. The face will be very bright. You will see lots of energy, lots of happiness in them. And then also they will broadcast goodwill. And they will be very successful. They feel very successful, and they will have lots of confidence. And even their health is affected in a beneficial way. We walk tall, and our voice will be more powerful with so much of confidence. And that our body language, the your non-verbal communication, that will exhibit how confident you are, how positive you are. And these positive and negative things are very contagious. We know negative is very contagious now. Wherever you see corona is spreading like anything. I mean, that is the pandemic. But at the same time, even if you see somebody, when you see somebody very sad sitting, then next time you will become like that. So that sadness or the anger, if you are getting angry, then when somebody is shouting at you, you will start immediately retaliating. So it is the negative thinking as well as the positive thinking are very contagious. If we are positive, there will be lots of people come towards us. They will come to us. We need not go to them. They will come to us. And if we are in trouble, they will come and help us. We just we just show our positivity in them. That's all. Where when the people who are broadcasting lots of negativity, people will dislike them. People will avoid. For example, um, my door is closed, so I can tell you, my neighbor, I meet her, she's a little old lady, she's about 72. The moment I open the door, she will say, Krishna, எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே பிடிக்கல. That is the first thing I hear. So for that, I have to get prepared. So what I do in the before that, 1 hour I do my meditation, yoga, and all this thing. I'll get myself cheered up and go. But I know how to handle it. But at the same time, what happens? Not many people will not be aware of these things are happening without our knowledge. When somebody is telling you something, then you become you get on to that. So people avoid. So I unfortunately I can't avoid, but in general I what I do, when there is some help she needs, I will help. Then immediately I'll walk over, I'll get back to my place. So I try to avoid them. So everybody will do that. When somebody is keeping on cursing somebody is always nagging, you tend to avoid. So 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 why I'm saying is this two positive as well as the negative thinking being contagious. When the mind is negative, lots of poison inside us being generated, it is released into our blood. For this, you have to I mean, I'm not uh, what do you call neurologically those things I am talking, but which is that taken from those things, I'm saying, which we are also aware of it. So lots of poisons are released into our blood, which which will develop into I mean, which will cause more unhappiness and lots of negativity in us. The negative thoughts, negative words, negative attitude, it create very unhappy feelings. It will give you bad moods. You will have mood swings, mostly down, and it will also you tend to behave very badly. So this is the way to failure, frustration, and disappointment. So now we will see how one can find the direction towards a positive thinking. How did you feel feeling? Now keep that in mind. Okay, now I will give you one more exercise. Can you write down quickly one word? Each one, you have to write 10 things, maybe in one or maximum 2 words. 10 things you want to change in you. For me, I get up very late. I used to get up, say I get up very late, so I want to get up early, I'm saying. So like that, 10 things you write down you want to change in you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you have written down 10 things that you want to change in you. Now you took, say, about 30 seconds. Now I will give you only 10 seconds, or rather, I'll give you 1 minute. I'll give you more time this time. Write 5 good things about you. Write 5 good things about you. Take 1 minute. You have taken 30 seconds for writing 10 things, but I will give you 1 minute to write 5 things, 5 good things. Madhavi Stupik, Virginia, I am asking only things. Sridevi, Jain. I'm sure you would have find it very difficult to write because we have been trained to look at only negative things. It's been, like, don't touch it. It will harm you. What to do, we have, okay? If you go there, it will hurt you, okay? Don't talk back. So what you have to do, Suresh, my voice is clear because I'm getting some message. Suresh?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Because I'm getting some message about
Yeah,
my
when you talk to
internet.
the system, it shows that your voice is breaking, but now it is clear, sir. You can continue.
It's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
See, in order to change the way you think, it will take time for you because it needs some inner work to be done, because your attitude and thoughts, they don't change overnight, because we have been into that for longer period. So it is very difficult to change, but you can change. It is possible to change. Absolutely no doubt about it. Only thing, you have to work on it. The power of thoughts as a mighty power, always shaping our lives. What we think, only what we think, we become that. That is what happens. So the shaping of our lives usually done subconsciously. That means we are not aware what is happening, because, like, it is like, riding a cycle or bike or swimming. After we learn it, once we learn, we don't forget. We automatically get into the bike and go. So it's like that. It is done subconsciously, but at the same time, it is possible to it is it is possible to do the process, the process as a conscious one. Second thing, very important thing, if you start listening to everything and anything whoever is saying for others' opinion, or like somebody notices your change. If somebody is noticing your change, and if they discover that, and if they are telling you something, if they opine something, you just ignore it. You need not bother about it. What other people say or think about you, if they discover that you are changing the way you think, you just ignore it. Another thing, very important thing is, it's a creative. You have to visualize, you have to imagine, you have to imagine, what you want to become. That is only favorable and beneficial situations you have to think about. I want to become a good person. I want to be very kind. I want to be a social worker. I want to help people. I want to take care of old people. I want to there are, you may be having lots of pets, so you become, a pet lover, or you want to become a teacher. And probably like, people told me that, you were experienced, you won't get a job here. So I know I didn't listen to them. You say whatever you want. I'm still in touch with people, and I do some advertising also. And this has become my main profession. So you need not think about it. And I visualized that, what I want to become, what is I want. So it is favorable to me. I want to become a counselor. I want to help people. I want to be a helper. So these are the things, are beneficial to me to become that. So I have visualized that, I become a counselor. Okay. So you have to visualize, you have to imagine that you visualize what you want to become. And another very, very important thing, people say, I can't do it, this is very difficult, I can't do it. You have to just remove the T. So you can do it. If you remove the T, you can do it. Use positive words when, when during you do your inner dialogues, self talk. You do, go to the mirror, talk positive things. I am a doctor. I am I am helpful. I am beautiful. I am handsome. I am strong. So when we do that, you do it for yourself. And also when you talk to others, you can tell them, Suresh, you are so nice. You are doing great job. You are doing what a fantastic networking you are doing. So these are the things, when you talk to others also, you have to talk in a positive and in a confident way. And, it should be encouraging. You have to show lots of enthusiasm in it. Another thing, you can just smile. You can just smile for no reason. If you keep on smiling, your face will become very bright. People have given one exercise. I will tell you how to, if you think that you are not having a smiley face, what to do, that I will tell you in a minute. Just smile. Just a simple act of smiling or laughing can make you very happy. See, when I see you, I just smile. It makes me happy. That will make you happy. So as I said, it is contagious. It makes you happy. And there are people who are about 60 people are there in the 69 people are there in the session. Everybody will be, like, seeing a very smile face, Suresh is smiling there. Okay, they get cheered up. Another thing, very important thing, what you can do in smiling. Smile at the stranger. When you walk on the road, when you go to a supermarket, when you go to a movie hall, you will be definitely passing somebody. Just look at them, just look at their eye and just smile. Nothing you do, you don't have to expect anything. The moment you smile, 95% of the time, you will get a reply. I mean, reply in the sense you will get a return smile you get. This is proven. People just done some study, in the malls and in the movie theaters. They just did that. So it is, it is very, very important. It is very important that, to stay happy, whatever factors that you have to do. I will teach that, how to, if you think you don't have a smiley face, if you don't have a smiley face, all you have to do is take a pen or pencil and bite it. Take, yeah. Huh? This is what, in my, when I very first beginning, when I did that, when I got into the course, this is what they did. You are looking, are you sad? He said, my face is like that. No, you can make it better. Just bite it. So that was fantastic. I never thought, I was just, the moment I heard this, I started laughing actually. So make yourself, you need not, smile, it is not going to cost you anything. You can just smile. That will increase your positivity. It is once some negative thought enters into a mind, you have to be aware. You have to be aware that something negative is coming into me, because you will see your body will be slightly down, and probably you will have some headache, and you don't feel like talking to somebody. So that means the cause. You it is actually coming subconsciously, you will be having them, but you have to work on it. So you be aware that there is a negative thought is coming into me. Be aware it and replace it with a positive one. Once again the negative thought returns, replace it. You have to do it. What did we do? So many times we fell down from the cycle. What happened? After some time we started driving the bike. So same thing. It is only practice make the man perfect. Sorry, women also perfect. Okay. See, I'll give you some. I'll give you some time. Is it? Is it time? Okay. See, I'll tell you. Suppose you have. I am not good at it. So you can look at it. You can think, what am I missing in it? I am all, even in positive also, you can enhance your positivity. I am awesome at this thing, this particular task. I am awesome. Oh, I am on the right track. You can say that. When you say that I am awesome, you can also think, enhance your thinking, like I am in the right track. I give up. I give up. Then you can say, okay, I will use some other strategy. Suppose I am trying to do cube, okay? So, or I am playing chess or whatever, I am not able to move further. Then we have to think and do what is the different strategy we can use it. It is too hard. Okay, it is too hard. It might take some more time. That's all. It is too hard. I can't do it. You can't. You don't. You don't. You need not say that. It is too hard. Okay, it will take some more time. So in that, I want to probably everybody would have got to know this story. There was a king in Scotland, Robert Bruce. So he 7 of the war, and he was in the cave. He saw the spider uh, building its web, and that the spider was falling down, coming back, and doing nothing, then falling down, like that. So by seeing that, he got the energy that one small spider is trying. Why not me? I'm a human being. He won the war. So if you say it is too hard, that means it takes more time. That's all. Like that, you can list down what are the things you are saying, and then you can change it with a positive thinking. Never give up. Never ever give up. The moment you say that I give up, it's over. It's already you are out of the game. That means in case you are experiencing inner resistance and difficulty when replacing negative thoughts with positive, just you'll be
The
able to
voice
do
is breaking.
once. My voice is breaking?
Yes, yes. Now it is okay.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah, okay, sir. Fine.
Is it okay?
Okay, okay.
No. So, when you were in the resistance and the difficulties, I know you are finding it difficult to replace it with positive. Keep trying. Never ever give up, and try it out one after another. So then then it becomes a practice. Then it becomes a habit. See, many times, we have the circumstances, it doesn't matter. It is momentary. What has happened in the past, we can't do anything about it. And what is the future, we don't know. We have to be, cautious, but at the same time, in thinking about the past and thinking about the future, and what we do, we lose the at current moment. What is happening in the present, you lose it. So, and by perseverance, you will transform the way your mind thinks. You keep on doing it, you know thinking positively, that will transform the way that your mind thinks. It might take some time for the changes, but definitely it will take place 100%. And use repetition of, I will send a list of affirmations, and I'll also send a list of words and phrases which you can use it. I hope all of you know what is a gratitude diary. So you write what are you thankful for in a day. By the time you crash before go to bed, just write three things. Once you get habituated, I'll tell you, it is a transformation. It has changed me. I used to be, I literally used to be sad. People used to call me, are you sad? People, many times they have asked me, many friends have asked me. But these things, when I started doing this, gratitude diary, then, meditation, and, having self-affirmation, all these things have changed. I have listed down all these things that I will send it to Suresh, which he will, share it. And if you do a meditation, if possible, do it. If possible, do it early in the morning. I do it at 4:30. I'm not saying, if you can do it at 4:30, nothing like it. But if you do it 4:30, 5 o'clock, your day will be fantastic throughout the day. And, over a period of time, your day, second, month, everything will be fantastic. So that is what, and, as I told you that, I will be sending you this, Suresh, you can share the PPT also. And I will send you this, encouraging words, optimistic, constructive words, helpful, all these things I will send it, which you can share with them. So thank you very much for listening to me. I hope I have not bored, and I am ready for taking shots.
Yes, sir. So thank you very much for sharing your inputs on positive living. There are many exercises where energetic, for example, mind. Likewise, there are few more activities we were told to write about positive things. It's an activity-oriented session. Thank you for accepting our invitation, giving a valuable inputs on positive living. So we are having less than a minute for this session. We will take one question for this session. Dear participants, we are having less than 3 minutes. So after this 3 minutes, the call will be disconnected from the Zoom app. You have to again log in the same link which were shared earlier. Just log in the same link. We will come back to the session here. We will ask and discuss with the experts. Suppose if you have any point you would like to add on positive living, you are always welcome. Yes, Dr. Veena.
Somebody asked the question.
Yes.
Krishnan sir, that was an awesome and excellent presentation, really. Thanks for the tips
Thank you,
to
Veena.
make the life positive. you have said about the smiling technique. I want to just add a flavor of humor to that. Just think of the person whom you really want to bite. Then your smile will be even more great. that's what that's the thought I got when you were telling to me, like, just bite the pen. Think of the person whom you want to bite. You will have a great smile.
I have one answer for this. I don't know whether you have seen the boxing between Holyfield and Mike Tyson. Mike
Yes.
Tyson had bitten him, and his ear
Yeah,
got
here is the signal here. We are going to end the session for the first session. We'll meet again in the second one, the same link. Yeah, dear participant, will yes, we will meet in the same link again for discussion, and our session is going to end in a few seconds.